Hello and welcome to Greetingstar. I'm so glad you could join me today. Here is a look at the unboxing for the SCT Sampler kit. It's a subscription for the month of November 2022. And of course it's a Christmas theme. And you can see here the word wishes on this beautiful red card. Now that is going to be the die that comes in the kit. And it comes with the word die as well as the shadow die, which I'll show you here in just a moment. But again, this kit is Christmas themed, and I am behind on getting my Christmas cards made, guys, so stay tuned. I will have some Christmas card videos coming up real soon, but I have to do this unboxing video for you. So this is the wishes word and shadow die, or background die, that you can use to make lots of Christmas cards or birthday cards, birthday wishes, Christmas wishes. So you can do that for either one of those types of things, or best wishes. So this that die set is very versatile. Now in the kit you always get samples from different companies in the crafting world, and this month we've got samples from Fawn. That's these sweater pattern paper, but I wanted to show you that this month they've included a magnetic sheet for that word die, which I think is really cool. This is the first month that I've seen this, and it's just such a great value. I'm so happy that they included that, and I hope they'll continue to include them in the future kits. So I'm really excited. See, it stays on that magnetic sheet. It's a great way to store your die. I love that. Okay. So again, the pattern paper comes from Fawn, and also there's another set that comes from Spellbinders, and that ephemera that you see there also comes from Spellbinders. And this is the stamp set. It's a 3x4 stamp set by Hero Arts, and it's called Skating By to Say Hello. And it's just a cute little winter stamp set that you can use. You can use it any time of year, really, because people love skating, not just during the winter. So you can either do ice skating or just regular skating. I don't know. I didn't take a look at the bottom. If it's the blades, then people will know it's ice skating. But you can see these beautiful sweater patterns here that you can use on many winter cards. And the snowman there, that's the kit that comes from Spellbinders. And the knit ones are from Fawn. So the Spellbinders one is called Winter Wonderland, and the sweater ones are Fawn, and it is called Knit Picky. So you get those beautiful pattern papers. And the ephemera, again, also coordinates with the pattern paper there from Spellbinders. Now you guys, if you didn't subscribe to this kit, you can still purchase some of these items separately from the companies. So I will have links down below. You can check and see where to get these. You can get them at Spellbinders or at Fawn, or of course scrapbook.com. I have included the link to scrapbook.com because I have a Sharacell Associates account with them. So if you click on the link and buy something, then I'll get a small portion. Now these beautiful puffy words are also included in the kit. Now this is just a half a sheet because again, this kit is a sample kit. So you get samples of products, not the entire collection. So not everybody's going to get the exact same samples, so just be aware of that. But I'm showing you what I got this month. Now I love these beautiful dots. That goes great with that gingerbread house, and I was thinking that this pattern paper would go great with those puffy words and this beautiful deer, so that would make some beautiful Christmas cards. So I'm excited to get started on my Christmas cards. This is such a great little monthly inspiration that you get delivered to your door if you do subscribe, so that's great. Okay, so thanks for joining me today. If you enjoyed the video, give me a like and a subscribe to see more. Have a wonderful day, and stay tuned for Christmas cards that are coming up. Bye-bye.